eyes on the screen and a smiley face.
Which one?
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
Eyes on the board with a smiley face ready to learn, your pen or pencil, and your book. Thank you, ma'am. Let's get to work.
Okay, then.
So I have my cube. I'm gonna start afresh. So I'm starting afresh. I pick my new cube. That was my new cube. Oh, mommy, tell mommy we're ready for the class. I'll pick the cube. I have my cube now ready. So I select the camera, you select the light, A to hide. Now I have my cube now. Then the next thing I'm gonna do, tab. I'm on edit mode now. So I'll pick select edges, this one. Now it's on edges, so I'll control B to bevel. Alright? I think this is fine.
Wait, pause. I need to write something.
At least you're okay with this part. I'm not sure you need to write anything from this.
Okay.
So now it's beveled. So I click on tab again to go to object mode. On my mouse, I do left click, and I think Mercy's mouse is the right part of the mouse. So I'll left click and shade smooth. See that? Can see it, right?
I'm still finding.
So it's looking so smooth. Now I'll go to, see this is looking like corner. This is called modifier. I'll click on it. Then this is the plot sign says add modifier. So I'll click on this. I'll pick generate. Then I'll click on array. Array. I'll go to my count. I'll move it to 3. So I have 3 on the line. Then the first factor, the first one, x is on 1, and that's fine. So now I'm going to add another modifier. I'll click on this cross sign again. Click and go to generate, add another array. Now we'll scroll down. This is where it is. I'll change the count to 3. Now my x will be on 0. All right, then my y will be on 1. Will be on 1. All right, then z will be on 0. Now I'm going to add another modifier. Another modifier right now. Add, generate, array. Now that one is down, down, down there. See it? So I'll change the count to 3. X on 0. Y on 0, 2. And now we're working on Z axis. So Z on 1. And let's see. Ta-da! Now we have a Rubik Cube ready. Do you like it? Do you like it, guys?
Yeah.
Mercy's not talking now. So I'm very sure both of you don't have issues with this part. Do you?
No, not at all.
Okay. So you have a question,
Can I make
Anita?
it spiky this time?
What?
Can I make it spiky this time?
Your choice.
I'm going to bevel it and make it spiky but smooth.
Your choice. Okay. So now my Rubik Cube is ready. The next we're going to do is we're going to add colors. All right. So now I'm going, do you see this?
Yes.
That is the one I said, material preview. It's different from this one. All
Should we?
right?
Are we supposed to press that?
Yeah, when you want to change, you want to start adding colors, you have to be on this one. You see then we have the wire mode here. Did you see it?
What is it called?
This first one is wireframe. You can see the way it looks, right? The second one is the solid display, solid mode or solid frame, all right? Or
Wait, let
solid
me
mode.
my view part.
That is, if you click, let me show you. If I click on this one, can you see this? Can you see this?
Yeah.
This one is wireframe. If I click on it, you're gonna see the skeletons in it. So you're
Oh.
gonna see the skeletons in it. So that is it. You're gonna see everything in it, right? Then the second one here is called solid mode. If I click on it, it's gonna be the same way when we were building the block. So I'll click on it and you see this is what we were working on, right? Now the next the one I want us to work on right now is called material preview. So this is it. All right. Can you see?
Mhm.
So if you anytime you want to add color to something, blah blah blah, you have to be on this one to add colors. All right. So now we're here now. So the next we're gonna do is go to let's search for it. Then what did I what the main color the base color is gonna be what?
Black.
Mm. So you remember that. Yeah. Do you like it?
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
What are you doing? You're supposed to wait and listen. Then you tap. Then
Wait,
tap. When I tap, Mercy, what am
I'm
I
writing
supposed to
it
do
down like
next?
she told us.
What am I supposed to do next now?
Get the colors like. Wait, I'm writing something down. Vertex paint. Why vertex paint? No. So next you go to edit mode.
Okay. Edit mode. Then what am I supposed to do now?
Wait. Um. Then wait. Then you select the. Then you go to faces.
Okay. No. Don't put it there. Then, okay. So you know how to go. If you don't want to go here, you click on number 3 on the keyboard. Number 3, the one that is lined at the top, not the one by the number part. The one that is lined up at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
I
0.
told you
So
I
you
don't.
click on 3. If you click on 3, it will move this to this. So let's see. See that? If I click on 1, it's going to go to vertices. See that? 2, edges, 3, faces. Did you see that? Did you
Yes.
see that, Mercy? So
Yeah.
sometimes you don't need to take your mouse there, right?
Mhm.
You don't need to take your mouse there. So you just click, use your numbers for your short cord. Okay, so let's go. What next are we gonna do?
Next, we're gonna select 9 faces.
Okay,